Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you X-VPN review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you've been looking at X-VPN recently, you probably know it as one of those massively popular apps that everyone seems to have on their phones. Now, it's famous for giving you a completely free tier with unlimited data without even making you register an email here, which is incredibly rare. Now, under the hood here, it runs on a custom connection system called the Everest protocol, which is absolute magic at smashing through strict internet firewalls and unblocking streaming sites like Netflix. But if you are wondering whether it's truly the absolute best choice for your privacy, well, in this case, you may want to know a few things. Now, for the long time here, serious privacy purists told people to steer clear of XVPN because their custom protocol was completely closed source. So, meaning you just had to blindly take their word that they weren't tracking you. However, they made some massive upgrades here to fix that reputation. Now, they've officially migrated their entire network over to RAM only servers. So, meaning your browsing details physically cannot be saved to a hard drive and vanish completely. Now, the moment the server actually reboots. So even better here, they finally put their money where their mouth is and passed a major independent no logs audit conducted by a big four accounting firm. Now, this strict technical inspection proved that they do not track, collect, or even store your IP address, your browsing history, or your connection timestamps here. And the best part is that this hardware level protection applies to both their free and premium users, which is kind of cool. But there are a few things that you may want to know here. So obviously, this is not a perfect platform. There are some drawbacks here. Now, even with these huge privacy updates, the app isn't perfect. So because the Everest protocol is still entirely private and closed source, it lacks the open transparency of standard options like WireGuard, where anyone can inspect the underlying code for vulnerabilities. Now, performance can also be pretty inconsistent, and you might notice a heavy speed drop on long distance connections, so which can make things feel a bit sluggish if you are trying to do heavy gaming or massive file downloads. So ultimately here, XVPN has become an incredibly convenient, stress-free choice if you just want a reliable, free tool to watch a regional video or stay safe on public Wi-Fi without worrying about data caps. But if you are a hardcore data purist who demands open source software and flawless, lightning fast connection speeds across all your devices, well, you are still better off spending a little extra on a proven heavyweight options out there. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.